Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another Saturday vlog. That's right, 3 Saturdays in a row. We're vlogging it up, making it happen. Like I said, we're posting on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so make sure you stay tuned for that. This morning we are slamming on some oatmeal, some really delicious oatmeal with chocolate chips, my favorite. And so I'm going to eat. We're going to go work on the house. This one's got a babysit at 3 o'clock, so we're headed
like 2 hours away.
Yeah, so we're headed into town a little early, but that's good. I'm gonna pick up my truck and bring some stuff out here for our garden. We're gonna get that going finally. What else? I'm gonna go do some grocery shopping by myself today. That's dangerous.
I'm scared. I'm a little worried about how this is gonna turn out.
Yeah. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So stay tuned. We're gonna be working on the house in just a second here. Jetty, you gonna tell the vlog good morning? Alright, first and foremost, we'll go say good morning to the horses and go see what the horses are doing. Let's go see what the horses are doing, Jetty. As you come to get petted, that's a good horsey. That's a good horsey. Good morning, horsey. Yeah, that's a good horsey. Oh, come back. Alright. For real, let's go get some work done. I think what I'm going to start with today, right here, is I'm going to go ahead and get this back wall off. Or back, this tin here on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and rip that off, and I'm gonna continue framing. I'm gonna try to get this all framed up. Oh look, baby's already working. What you doing, love? Sweeping. Is it messy in here?
Yeah, the storm brought in a whole bunch of dirt.
Yeah, I bet it did. Alright.
All wet and dirty.
So yeah, we're gonna sweep. We're gonna get this back wall started right here. I'm just gonna put you guys on fast forward real quick and perfect. They're all just gonna fall at the same time, baby. Are you having fun, Jed? Huh? Are you having fun? Alright, as you can see, we're making leaps and gains. This whole thing is almost down. Everything is loose. I just leaps and bounds, but we're making leaps and gains. That's right. They're all loose. They're just kind of, the dirt down there is holding them up. And I'm just getting them over to the trailer, and Jed's having the time of his life out here, aren't you, Jed? Are you having so much fun? Woo! He's a good boy. Hi, baby. How's it looking?
Jed, you're crazy. Jed! There he is.
It's a bang car full of girls in a blue Mustang. More y'all caravan. VIP, modeling hand, bottling hand, wobble again. I make it crack in the back of a Benz for cracking frame.
Progress. Got the bottom board off. I started pulling all this dirt back, and I got a huge line of leaves and dirt right here. Thanks, Jed. Thanks for all your help. And Chief, you've been a good boy too. So yeah, I'm gonna finish taking all this wood off right here, and then we're gonna start framing. Look at the big old froggy.
Oh, I don't let the dogs eat that.
Will eat it? Oh yeah, you
Yeah.
told me that they would. Huh? I forgot.
So don't draw attention to it. Like, don't make it move.
It's just chilling.
Are you sure it's alive?
Yeah, I just saw him moving. Alright guys, just a quick update. Like I said this morning, we are in a crunch, however you say it, for time because Alex is going to go babysit. I got my haircut at 2 o'clock and I got to go get my truck and some fencing material. But I just want to show y'all what I've done this morning. So far it's like 1 o'clock and so I'm going to go eat something and then we got to go. But I've added in this board right here. Uh-oh, this looks dangerous. And I added in that board right there all the way across. That way this edge right here is the same. So, and then I got a 2x4 in right there. Started my framing going up right here and right here. And my girlfriend is yelling at me. Yes, baby? I'm leaving. Bye. Okay. And it looks like we're going. So, gotta go. I'll catch y'all in a minute. What are you gonna get, love? Oh no. That'd be good. Okay. I'm here at the haircut place. I'm leaving my love for now. I'll see you tonight, baby. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 9 o'clock or so?
Like 8:30.
Okay, I love you. Alright, time to go get my haircut. Alright, just got a haircut. I think it looks pretty sharp. So I'm sitting here waiting for my dad to come get me.
It's the same people.
Hi, Bubba. Hi, Bubba.
How much do you make those?
Here's my ride. That's what I came to pick up. Alright, just got to my dad's shop. The goal right now is to get this stuff and, you know, kind of get it like right here somewhere so I can use the bed of the truck for other things. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a project here, but we're fixing to knock it out. Alright, the bed of the truck is looking empty. This is all this crap I took off. Everything. My battery is running really low on this camera, that's why y'all aren't seeing anything of what I'm doing. But I gotta go, I'm gonna go, you know, like right here and grab some fencing stuff. Ow. I have something in my eye. And then gotta get some water. Grocery shopping, y'all know what the deal is. Let's go. To the Home Depot. We're gonna run in here, grab some wood real quick, then we're going grocery shopping, then we're going home. It's been a long day already. I'm getting really tired. I'm trying to stay hydrated. Doing my best here, guys. Doing my best. Let's go. Perfect. Wood. Now we're loaded down good. Just gonna throw a strap over that real quick. And we'll be out of here, headed to the grocery store. Huh? Yeah. Well, you gotta say hi. You gotta say hi to the vlog.
I will. Hang on. Dude! Yeah, no. Dude,
Babysitting
no.
life right here. Babysitting life.
Out of the chair. Thank you. Now what?
Alright, say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
That's Alex. She's babysitting. Alright, so apparently Costco back here closes at 6 o'clock on Saturdays, and it's already 7 o'clock. And I'm late. I didn't make it, so that means we're going to have to go to HEB and Bastrop in the morning. That's okay. We'll grab the rest of the things that we need there. I'm leaving Whole Foods. I'm headed home. My battery is on 1%. So I'm going to cut this clip short right here, and I'll catch you guys at the house. If it's not dark, I'm going to wait for Alex to get home to end the vlog tonight. So that might be pretty late. But anyways, I'll see y'all back at the house. Alright, vlog. It's several hours later. I've already been sleeping for many of those hours. And Miss Alex finally decided she's going to come home from babysitting. It's, what, midnight?
Yes.
Yeah, it's midnight. And
I left there at 10:30 though. It was just a long ways away.
yeah. Anyway, we are going to end this video right here. Stay tuned. Thursday, we got the Sunday vlog coming out, so make sure you check that out. Like, comment, subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Mañana.
On the next one.
Well, it's tomorrow,
That's tomorrow
for me.
for us.
Thursday for
The
them.
next one for them.
Sorry, guys.
Alright, peace out.